Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where we explore the beauty of flyover landscapes through the lens of creativity. Join me as we embark on a journey of artistic exploration, capturing the essence of these often overlooked vistas through painting, photography, and mixed media. Let's uncover the hidden gems and unleash our creativity against the backdrop of the breathtaking flyover landscape. In this series, we will immerse ourselves in the vast expanse of flyover landscapes, discovering the beauty in the seemingly ordinary. From the rolling plains to the meandering rivers, each scene holds its own unique charm waiting to be captured on canvas. Join me as we blend artistry with adventure, transforming these overlooked landscapes into masterpieces of inspiration and imagination. Get ready to soar high above the mundane and embark on a visual journey unlike any other. Through the lens of art, we will uncover the soul stirring beauty hidden in the vast expanses of these overlooked terrains. From the golden hues of sunrise over the fields to the tranquil serenity of twilight skies, every moment holds the promise of artistic discovery. Join me as we embark on a journey of creativity, capturing the essence of these flyover landscapes one brushstroke at a time. Let's ignite our imagination and paint a vivid tapestry of artistic expression against the backdrop of the boundless skies. Until next time, keep watching, keep exploring, and keep creating. Thank you very much, my dear viewers.